Hi, you're watching EdgeHub. Now let us start the video.
Hi guys, in this session we are going to learn properties of Diborane. I had already completed introduction about Diborane and also the structure of Diborane in the previous video. If you have not watched it, I will give the link in the description so that you can watch it. Now let us start the video. Let us see some of the physical and chemical properties of Diborane. Some of them are: Diborane is colorless, and second property is it is an highly inflammable gas. At room temperature. And third is it smells sweet. I am explaining each and every point about properties of Diborane because they will ask in the exams, like they will give the flowchart of the unknown values by giving A, B, C, D, and they may ask what is A and what is B, and they will give the properties of A and B. These type of questions are majorly asked in advanced exam. So I am explaining the each and every point of Diborane, and it is highly toxic, and it releases huge amount of energy in the presence of oxygen. And Diborane readily hydrolyzes with water and forms boric acid and hydrogen gas. H3BO3 is nothing but boric acid. These are the some of the important properties that everyone must know about the Diborane. I will make an other video on reactions of Diborane and preparation of Diborane. That is an important video in the chemistry of Diborane.